Hey everyone, I wanted to do an unboxing slash review of these diffuser fins that I purchased for my 2015 C7 Z06. I really wanted diffuser fins on the back of my bumper for the longest time, but they were like $400. And then I found these on Extreme Online Store, and I ordered them the other day, paid with PayPal. They were $90, like $89 with free shipping. And it sounds too good to be true. What's neat about these is they supposedly are already pre-painted carbon ceramic, or what is it, carbon flash metallic, which is the stock OEM color on the Corvette. So I kind of give it a 50-50 if these are actually truly painted or pre-painted, because then all you have to do is install it. So yeah, it's these diffuser fins that go on the back. So let's see, moment of truth. I see 4 of them. There they are, you know, and they are painted. Wow. Let me see if I can zoom in there, but that looks like the stock bumper. Wow. Yeah, these were $89 with free shipping. Supposed to come with the template for install. Awesome. I was hoping they weren't just going to be, you know, ABS, you know, or non-painted or something, and then I was going to have them painted, which is the most expensive part. But yeah, the main reason I didn't buy these before, like I said, I didn't want to spend $400 on diffuser fins, but these were $89. I'll do a follow-up video once I get these mounted, but really impressed. This is carbon flash metallic. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of these for you in case you're in the market for getting these as well. Let's see, it looks like this is the template. I'm not going to open that up yet, but it said it did come with the template. And really fast shipping. I got these, I ordered these, they were shipped the next day, USPS priority mail. And yeah, God, that's awesome. Also comes with some mounting hardware. So cool, yeah, if you found this video informative, please give it a like. I'll put a link below to where I purchased them from. But shit, looks like I got a new accessory for my Corvette on the cheap. All right, see ya.